Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out the G305 LIGHTSPEED Logitech gaming mouse. It's a high-performance wireless mouse. It uses ultra-low latency connection. Hero 12K sensor, 12,000 DPI. 6 programmable buttons. Have our instructions there. And then here we have, we'll go through there. Okay, we have a USB charger string there. I thought it comes with a little dongle. Here we have one Duracell battery. Let me check this out in the bag here. All right, so yeah, it's just a USB cord there. All right. And here is the mouse. Ooh, that is pretty smooth. Let's see. Super lightweight. So here's the little dongle thing is right in there. I think that comes out of there. I want to say it comes out of there. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that little guy comes out right there, and then we can plug that in somewhere. Let's see. Here's our battery. We're just going to put that in there. Flat end goes in first, just like that. Take this out, and we can plug that in our computer. So super sleek. It's got the mouse wheel here, top button there, two side buttons, and these buttons here. It's got another button here on the bottom. I'm not sure what that is even for. And then 4 little sliders on there. Optical mouse, I believe. And nice and smooth, fits nicely in the palm of the hand. I'm gonna go hook this up and show you how it works. All right, so the mouse is super responsive. It's lightweight and works well. There's no lagging or anything like that with it. It works nicely. The buttons are smooth and just no interference between the distance between the little dongle and the mouse there. It works nicely.